Hi guys, I'm John.
And I'm Rod.
And this is J1 TV.
So, nandito kami sa Harajuku. So, we're gonna visit Meiji Jingo. It's a shrine actually. We don't know yet kung anong eksaktong shrine, pero we'll find out. Visit Meiji Shrine to slow down, walk through peaceful forest paths, experience traditional Shinto rituals, and enjoy a quiet cultural break from Tokyo's busy streets.
So saan ang next stop natin?
To Shimaen,
So which leads to?
Harry Potter.
Harry Potter.
Expecto Patronum!
We purchased our Harry Potter studio tour tickets in advance via Klook to secure our spot, making the visit smooth and hassle-free so we could fully enjoy exploring the magical sets, props, and behind-the-scenes experience.
So this is a time entry na tour and mag-book kami ng 2 o'clock. So ngayon, we're just waiting for them for us to enter the room.
Let the feast begin.
Hey guys, so today is our second day here dito sa Japan and we just went to Don Quixote. Yeah, so we just bought a lot of pasalubongs. Hindi ko na na-vlog kasi masyado ako na-excite and hindi pala masyado ako naging impulsive buyer. Ang dami kong nabili knowing na limited lang yung maleta namin, yung capacity ng maleta and yung weight. So ano kung magkakasya, we'll figure that one out. And now, bumalik muna kami sa hotel to drop off the things, right?
Yes, that's right.
So, we drop off the things, yung mga binili muna namin. And now, we're off for lunch. So, samahan nyo kami. Tara, let's! So, kabisado mo na ba yung mga pasikot-sikot dito sa Japan?
Pero nakakatulong talaga yung Google.
Yeah.
Medyo madali siyang sabihin. Yung una hindi talaga. Pero ngayon medyo okay.
Saan tayo bababa?
Sa Shin Ochimachi. So we're going to Asakusa. So from here, Tochome, 10 stops pa, and then we're gonna transfer. So we just arrived here at Asakusa. So hinahanap namin yung restaurant na kakainan namin, which is yung may eel, right?
Yeah, something.
Something eel. Yung malaki yung serving. So hopefully makita namin siya and walang pila kasi sobrang gutom na kami.
Yeah, because
Diba to?
this opportunity may be for you.
Okay, alright. Bye!
This opportunity may be for you, maybe for you.
So guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Idomo Asakusa. So this is another food adventure here in Tokyo. So nakita namin to sa TikTok, right? Or Instagram. So they tried this eel with floppy omelette rice bowl. And then we're also gonna try this beef and eel rice bowl. So actually the stew menu here only costs $62 or Canadian dollars. So
With Coke.
Oh, with drinks na din. So affordable.
Many meeps later.
So, after namin kumain nung napakadaming rice, na umay kami, sobrang umay namin na pag-dessert kami. Naghanap kami ng dessert. And luckily, we found this place. So, meron siya, I think it's a matcha, and then may creme brulee siya on top, and then with the gold something. I like that.
You should visit Sensoji's temple to explore Tokyo's oldest temple and experience the vibrant mix of culture, history, and tradition. And while praying is optional, you're welcome to take part if you'd like a more meaningful connection to the visit.
So right now, we're looking for the perfect spot for the matcha. We're looking for the perfect spot na kung saan, because I saw this post sa Instagram, eto siya, ting! Na magandang spot siya for a photo op for the Tokyo Tower. Para siyang nasa palabas ng subway, tapos nakapost siya or nakaupo siya doon, and yung background niya is yung Tokyo Tower. So yun yung hanapin namin ngayon.
Tokyo Skytree is Japan's tallest tower at 634 meters, offering amazing city views and serving as both a broadcasting tower and a popular observation spot.
Another day, another vlog. So today is our technically third day for today. And today, anong plano natin?
So, ang plano namin today is we're gonna meet our friends in where's that? Somewhere
in near Chinatown.
yeah.
Dito.
So I think that's 45 minutes from where we are right now.
So yun yung agenda namin for today. And later, we're going to go to the cup noodles museum and we're gonna make our own cup noodles. So samahan nyo kami. Let's go! So guys, nandito na kami sa Yokohama after very long na ride from the train station. And we're finally here dito sa Cup Noodles Museum, right?
Yay!
Excited ka ba gumawa ng noodles?
I think so.
Not noodles, make your own.
I think yung cup mismo yung i-design mo. Maybe.
Yeah.
We'll see. Cup Noodle Museum is a fun and interactive spot where you can learn the history of instant ramen and explore creative noodle displays. We didn't get to make our own custom cup since the activity was already sold out, but it was still such a great experience. Big thanks to Oyo and Kat for treating us. So, tonight, nandito na kami sa Shinjuku. Parang ito siguro yung parang center, yung business district center nila. So, grabe, sobrang daming tao, sobrang daming nangyayari. So, we're here at parang toy capsule. Toy capsule.
Siguro.
So, you're gonna insert coins here. No, first you need to pick whatever you want for the toy and then just insert coins and then you'll get your toy.
Pili na kami ng toy for Ella. This one. Pakita mo po. Show them guys. So this is the toy that we're buying for Ella. So, sabi dito, you need 5 coins. So, let's put the 5 coins. This is the toy for Ella.